Hello everyone, I'm Shivangi Agrawal, your law mentor, and CMA results are out. Maybe because after you have seen your marks, they fall short of one or two, or maybe four or five, या आपकी expectations से बहुत कम आई, and the re-verification window is open. Now the biggest question right now is कि should I go for re-verification या नहीं जाना चाहिए. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपको emotional नहीं practical decision लेने में help करूँगी with pros, cons, reality check and some strategy. So first of all, you must know and realize that verification includes rechecking of totaling, checking if the answer is left unchecked, and checking if any mark is not carried forward. मतलब हाँ लिखा नहीं है ऐसा कुछ है. It is not full revaluation. They are not going to rejudge your answer quality. So don't think कि अरे इस question में मुझे 4 ही नंबर मिला, maybe I should have got more. No. So but ma'am, do they actually verify it, or it's just a formality that we're going to fill it and ultimately the result is going to be the same? Well, they do re-verify. Okay, but then you have to decide when should you apply for re-verification and when not. So I'll tell you prima facie 3 cases when you should apply for re-verification. Point number 1, if you have failed by just 1 to 5 marks in a single paper, और वैसे आप पास हो जा रहे हो, या एग्रीगेट में 2-3 नंबर से रह जा रहा है, या फिर योर ग्रुप इज नॉट क्लियर्ड बाय अ नैरो मार्जिन, re-verification makes sense. So you can take a chance. Small totaling or unchecked error can actually change your results, so it's worth giving a try if you don't have any financial constraints. Again, case 2, if exemption required 60 होता है, ठीक है, यू हैव गॉट मे बी 58 और 59 इन अ सब्जेक्ट एंड यू हैव फेल्ड द एंटायर ग्रुप. ठीक है, तो पूरा ग्रुप तो रीअपियर करना ही करना है, बट अगर इस पर्टिकुलर पेपर में यू गेट एन एग्जेम्पशन, then you will save time, you will save that attempt pressure and one whole subject, right? So it's again worth giving a try. Case number 3, if you're 100% sure about your performance, you expected 70 and you got 35, kuch to gadbad hai na. Maybe your judgment can be wrong in entirety, but there are chances that some question might not have been evaluated at all. So if your marks are shockingly low in one particular subject and meets your expectations in all other subjects, like your judgment is good, आप किसी एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 50-55 एंड यू आर गेटिंग द सेम, तो मतलब हर सब्जेक्ट में आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन सही है एंड इट्स मीटिंग योर जजमेंट, बट व्हाई नॉट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, एंड दैट्स अ ह्यूज गैप इन वेरिएशन, राइट? एंड यू हैड डन द पेपर एक्सट्रीमली वेल. So checking isn't that good. Go for it. So apply re-verification in a crux. If you're falling short by a very small margin, then you can take a chance. If there is an exemption possibility, again, you can take a chance. And if you're very confident about your performance, you must take this chance. Okay? Now, when you shouldn't apply for re-verification, कई बार ऐसा लगता है सब कर रहे हैं, ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Or if you genuinely know that the paper went average only, but you're like जब ये option है तो कर ही लेते हैं, या 20 marks short you are of passing marks and you know that the paper was okay. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं बहुत exceptionally well लिख के आया था. So this is emotional बच्चे and not strategic. Cut to the reality check. Giving yourself false hope will only defer your dedication and preparation. So accept gracefully and work for the next attempt. ठीक है? But everything over and above, if your heart says, अगर दिल कहता है ना करना चाहिए, do it. Don't ask should I or shouldn't I. There's nothing harm that's happening, right? Just do it unless you have financial constraints. Again, I would say that. The last day to apply for verification, re-verification is 13th March. The link is already attached in the description. Think wisely and then fill, because multiple applications won't be entertained. So once you have to decide which subjects I want to go for re-verification, and then you have to apply for it. 250 per subject is the charge, which will be refunded if any mistake is found. You can also submit the exam form for the next attempt without actually waiting for the verification results. एंड फीस विल बी रिफंडेड अगर रिजल्ट आपका चेंज होता है तो. नाउ एट द एंड विद और विदाउट रीवेरिफिकेशन आई वुड सजेस्ट जस्ट स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. इनफैक्ट अप्लाई फॉर द सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज टू नो योर मिस्टेक्स इफ यू कांट आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट यू आर डूइंग रॉन्ग और कैसे मार्क्स अवॉर्ड हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो CMA इज बेसिकली टेस्टिंग योर कंसिस्टेंसी एंड आई नो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्विट. सो मेक अ चॉइस, अप्लाई, डू नॉट डिले, मेक अ वाइज चॉइस. और उसके बाद एक बहुत ज़रूरी काम करना है. Forget it just like you forgot your first love. Move on. All the very best.